Uh, Hello there guys, glad to see all of you watching another video of mine. This is going to be a very small video and I am just going to discuss like how we can get the Chromedriver on a system. So Chromedriver is basically used in scraping while using Selenium just to launch the Google Chrome so that we can open different websites through our scripts. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do the first prerequisite of using Chromedriver is to have a Google Chrome installed in our system. And once we have a Google Chrome, we can open the Google Chrome and go to the About section. Sorry. So we go to the About section, okay, and we check the version of the Google Chrome that we have. It is not required to have the updated version or something, but we need to keep a check of this version while we are downloading to download the Chromedriver. So now we will go to the Chromedriver website and we click on downloads, and over here we will see that we have different versions of the Chromedriver. Okay, so generally if we look at a version, we have 106.0.5249, and over here we can see that this is the Chromedriver that supports this version, that is 106.0.5249. So what we need to do, we just need to download on this one. Click on this one, it will open a window, and over here we can see we have Chromedriver for different operating system, like for Linux, Mac, and for Windows. Currently, since I'm on my Mac, so I will just download the Mac version, and it will download the zip folder. So if I go to my downloads over here, you can see we have this Chromedriver Mac 64, and when we double click it, we get this Chromedriver. Now we can simply copy this Chromedriver and paste it anywhere in our system where we want to use it from. Okay, so just hope that, let's see that I've just pasted over here. So this is basically how we get the Chromedriver. It's very simple. The location of where we have this Chromedriver is very important, because that's the path because the path of this Chromedriver needs to be properly mentioned into a script. Again, many a times we will find that Chromedriver is crashing and it's not working. That might be because the Google Chrome has updated its version, so it updates every now and then, and it doesn't give you any intimation that it has updated its version. So whenever Chromedriver fails to open multiple times, just come down and check the version. If the version is updated, simply go down to this particular website, download the latest version, and replace this particular Chromedriver exe with the downloaded one, and you would be good to go. Okay, so I think that should be it for this video. Catch you in my next video. Yeah, ciao.